In the book, Broken to be Restored, Our Story for His Glory, my chapters speak about the pressures of life, the trials and tribulations, the testing and trials that I went through that has made me the woman that I am today, that has given me the resilience, the stamina, that has forged my faith to believe that God is who He says He is. God will do what He says He's going to do. It's through my trials and tribulations that I believe God that He will come through. His word cannot return void. And so I encourage my sisters, my brothers, and whoever read this book to be encouraged. It doesn't matter the storms. It doesn't matter the trials. Jehovah will come through. God will deliver. It's your testing that's perfecting you. It's the trials that is causing you to see the faithfulness of God. Stand firm. Don't give up. God bless.